Welcome to a lesson about sinking funds and how to find annuity payments. And this example is a continuation of the other example. The company Green Tea Landscaping previously deposited 9,231 and 50 cents at the end of each year for 5 years into sinking funds that earn 4% compounded annually. And they did that because they needed $50,000, even though making this payment 5 times will give them less than 50, so they're gonna make some interest. So in this question here, set up the sinking fund table for this deposit. So we know that the amount deposited for the first payment is 9,231.5. So the interest, because it's made at the end of the period, they're not making in the first year no interest, because they pay at the end of the year 9,231. So the account so far now has 9,231 and 50 cents. So then the second year they're gonna make the same amount. So every year they make the same amount. So but then they're gonna earn some interest based on this amount already was deposited from last year. At the end of the second year they will earn an interest based on this 9,231. So I'll take 9,231.5 and the interest multiplied by 0.04. That will give me an interest of 369.26. So now they made this interest and they make this deposit and this deposit. So the amount has 9,231.5 twice, because for the first year and second year, and plus the interest they just earned from the second year, and that will give us 18831.26. We'll do the same thing. So the third year, at the end of the third year, they're gonna deposit 9,231, but how much interest earned is this is at the end of the third year. So at the end of the third year they will earn interest based on this amount, because the account has this amount until the end of the third year, then they deposit this amount again. So we do 18831.26 multiplied by 0.04, and that will give us $753.25. So the amount here, it has whatever had before plus these two that was deposited at the end of the third year. So the end of the third year, the account will have 8831.26 plus the one payment and plus the interest, and that's give us the total of okay. And now the fourth payment of the end of the fourth year, this company gonna make this the deposit, and the interest will be again based on what was before. And again, just think about it, this happened at the end of the fourth year, so the interest is based on what was in the account the whole year before the end of the fourth year, times 0.04, and that's gonna give us 1152. So as you see, the interest increases because the amount increases. They put more money, so they will get more interest. 0.01, and we have to add the payment, and we add the interest, and this way the account will have 39,200.15. And we'll do the same thing at the end, except that the last payment will be a little bit different. It will be 85 cents because this is the last payment. And since the final payment needs to be exactly 50,000, so